Enw I yw'r athro Hywel Thomas, rwy'n llywydd y Gymdeithas Ddysgedig Cymru. Rwy'n falch iawn o groesawu lansiad Cyngrair yr Academiau Celtaidd. I'm Professor Hywel Thomas, President of the Learned Society of Wales. I'm very pleased to welcome the launch of the Celtic Academies Alliance. Bringing together the National Academies of the island of Ireland, Scotland and Wales, and developing on our collaboration to date, we hope that the Alliance will amplify the voices of the research and innovation communities we work with. Our academies bring together experts from across all academic fields and beyond, and this valuable resource underpins our work. We champion research, contribute expertise, promote learning and debate. We celebrate how science and the arts and humanities enrich our lives and benefit society. Through the Alliance, the Royal Irish Academy, the Royal Society of Edinburgh, and the Learned Society of Wales will work together to understand what is needed to build research capacity, productivity, and impact in the devolved nations. We will also draw on our understanding of place to recognize and reflect regional variation within the nations themselves. The Alliance will contribute constructively to UK-wide policy development, including the Shared Prosperity Fund and replacement schemes for European structural funds, research and development funding, and capacity building, and the wider levelling up agenda. We will also identify opportunities to develop new collaborations and work together to deliver these activities. Edrychaf ymlaen at y benod newydd hon yn hanes hir cydweithredu Celtaidd, gallwn ddysgu mwy am ein gwaith a'n cynlluniau ar ein gwefannau. I look forward very much to this new chapter in the long history of Celtic collaboration. You can learn more about our work and our plans on our website. Diolch, thank you very much.